Alright boys, we are back. Let me turn off numerous amount of things. We have the storage, right? Yeah. So beautiful things. So let's do the actual analysis of whatever it is. What trades we are going to take. I had did the analysis previously, like 1 to 2 hours before, just half an hour analysis. I literally check what trades we are going to take. I just like I wanted to do this quick analysis, but now I've done that quick analysis. Now I'm going to do the deep analysis. So I'm going to start with a zero. Okay, yeah, this doesn't look good that big, but it is what it is. I don't give a damn flying fuck. So to do the analysis, so this video is going to have the three sections. So the first section is, I really like to remove this. I'm right now on a terrace. So this video is going to be having three sections. So first section is going to be having the trading plan, which we are going to look forward trading plans. The second section is going to have the not trading. This is going to be trading study. The second section of this video is going to be have the before and after, what trades we have what prediction we have done previously with the start of a week, and what we have predicted, and does that happen. We're going to check it. The third section of this video is going to be pure top down analysis of whatever trades we are going to take. So let's do it. So here we go. Okay, so first section is going to be section 1, the trading plan. We're going to read every single thing about our trading plan, just to recap, just to like make sure whatever we are doing is on the track. So let me just close this thing. Just coming in middle. Alright, yeah, I'm actually going to share this video as free as well, just to help everyone. I don't know, unless I make one more times I make money and until that I will just share it free. So here we go. Trading success sheet. Goal. Okay, my cat is coming. Trading success sheet. Okay, I'm going to read this. Yeah, I'm going to read every single thing. Trading success sheet. Goal: to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which equals to 84,000 INR approximately, which is huge, and that is what we are looking into. By following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equals to 3,98,400 INR. Guess what? This is so easy. This is easy, isn't it? So long-term goal: having 4 funded accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, which is equals to total of $1.2 million account, $1.2 million total, and making only 4.8% per month is equals to $57,600, which is equals to 47,80,800 INR. Huge, isn't it? So now we're going for trading plan. Trades per week is equals to 3 trades per week. Risk per trade is equals to 0.8% per trade. Risk to reward ratio is equals to 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Win rate is going to be 70%, which is minimum. I have 90 to almost 100% win rate. We're taking very lowest low. So 70% win rate, 2 wins to 1 loss is equals to weekly outcome is equals to 1 losses is equals to minus 0. Why I'm looking the way I'm looking? 1 loss is equals to minus 0.8%, and 2 wins is equals to 3.2%. That is what we are making. So net gain is equals to 2.4% per week. After doing 1 loss and 2 wins, we'll be making 2.4% per week. Let's consider the half of 2.4%, which is equals to 1.2% per week. That is how I'm coming with this 1.2% per week mark. But per month, outcome is equals to 4.8% per month. That is so simple. So now we'll see where are we right now. So in challenge account of the Alpha Capital, we are above $5,000. The second phase is going on. We are minus $0.17. On a funded account, we have 2 funded accounts, $5,000 and $1 lakh. In 5, this should be like this, isn't it? That makes sense. If it is like this, it doesn't look good in my camera. Either way, what it is, whatever. So $5,000 and $1 lakh, or both are funded next. So in $5,000 we are down almost minus 0. Minus 0.95%. And over here on $100,000 we are down almost minus 0.90%. That was my mistake, completely agree. And that mixture taught me and also confirmed my prediction. So it is what it is. So now we literally haven't took any kind of trade on this. From 22 December to 26 December again, we literally miss, man. We have predicted the move to the perfection and we missed the 1 lakh profit. We missed the 1.6%, $1,45,000, and we literally miss every single thing. But it is what it is. So we are still, there is NA, no trade. I mean, yeah, because the trading was not getting activated over there because the stop loss take profit was not making sense. But it is what it is. The days where the times holidays was not eating match, so I was like, yeah, I just don't want to mess things up. I will just focus on the things, and I focus on the and I make and I literally missed money. It is what it is. So my second six-figure payout was 26 December, which haven't happened. Cross is equals to cross, which haven't happened. So now it is going to be this week 2. It's going 29 December to 2 January. Today is 29 December. Oh fuck. 29 December to 2 January. Our target of this week is going to be 1.2%. So yeah, that is our target. So that is it. So on Sunday, today is Monday, after finishing the whole week on Sunday, we're going to fill whatever it is. We are down, we are up, we'll see. Alright, so notes. Consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient, focus on execution, not emotions. One plan, one process, one goal is goes to freedom. And this down vagara thing, it's just nothing. We can literally record it like this. And that is what our game plan is. So now the first section of this video have been finished, the reading of the trading plan. The second section is started. The second section is all about before and after, what we have predicted, and does that happen? We'll see. So on the start of the week, as exactly like on Monday, I have predicted all the moves and we are looking into. So this is all the currencies we were looking into taking the trade in previous week. So on GBP CAD, we'll see like what I have predicted over here. Have I predicted over anything? I did what like waiting daily. We are waiting for looking for sell. I really forgot what are we waiting for. Daily to go. Yes, I remember brother, because I remember we got this and we were looking into this over here. So we were waiting for daily to get bearish. Daily haven't got bearish, and that's all it is. Daily haven't got bearish, we haven't took the trade. But now this week is going to be this week is going to be the beautiful bearish engulfing candle, and I will talk on that later on. Euro USD, we were looking into to take the trade to the downside, and I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure below, just because of we have a lot of candlesticks down there, and there was a good amount of support and resistance over there as well. So I was waiting for daily candlestick closure below this area of interest, which haven't happened, and I literally avoided the loss to perfection. So on Euro USD, I avoided a loss. On GBP USD, on GBP CAD, we have done nothing. I mean, there is no we wanted a daily to go bearish, daily haven't got bearish, so there was no trade. On Euro USD, we have avoided loss to the perfection. On AUD USD, we have avoided loss to the perfection on AUD USD as well. I was waiting for the daily engulfing candle below to close below this line. I was talking about this line. This candlestick closed below this line, and then we are going to look for taking the sell to the downside, which haven't happened. We literally avoided 2 loss to the perfection by just waiting and just following the plan. So 2 losses avoided. GBP odd. I literally said this is going to go down. This is going to go down. This is what I was looking into, and this is what is making me so much confident right now in my analysis. This thing works. This candlestick I was predicted this candlestick. I literally said that this is a candlestick. This candlestick is going to create the downside. The candlestick is going to create the downside. This Doraemon at this time motherfucking me, man. It is what it is. Look at this Doraemon, Kurkure man. Good.
अरे भैया 1 lakh views.
Hey, very good. Okay, very good. Let me focus on this. Very congratulations.
Thanks.
So, what you do, you open the wrapper quickly because your rapper voice is just getting into the video every time you do this.
Yes.
Okay, open the wrapper. I will wait. Done? Okay? हाँ. नहीं खाका. I just did the lunch. Thank you. You enjoy, brother. It's your day. So I have predicted. I literally said this candlestick is going to close like this, and this happens to perfection. Just go on my previous video. I literally said this, and that happens to the perfection. But it happens. It happens, but it happens in the way that I don't want it to happen in that way. I literally wanted this candlestick to close bullish, like blue candle, and then get bearish. Do not throw everywhere.
Yes.
Take your what it is. Take your packets and go and throw in a dustbin. Do not throw anywhere. Okay. So I was waiting for Daily to go bearish because Daily just got bullish, so it was not making sense to take the trade. But and also like I literally played this move, man. I literally missed out the money on the table, but it is what it is. I mean, I was waiting for 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours got bearish, and it got so bearish to the downside, which is so far from the area of interest. I was then waiting for, we could be easily taking the trade if we were waiting for the retracement over here, but there was no retracement, just pushed to downside and just melted down. So the thing is, I have predicted this move to the perfection. I haven't make money. My goal is to not to make money. My goal is to get good in prediction, and that is what I'm doing right now. I'm getting so good in prediction day after day after day after and day after day. So it is what it is. GBP odd, I said it happens, but it happens not in my way, so I haven't took any trade over here. But it happens exactly what I say. So we are talking about prediction. So yes, I make prediction. We avoided 2 losses, and we are correct in 1 times. So we'll go more EuroCAD. Alright, so we are waiting for EuroCAD to do this, to that, do this. Oh, I literally said, man, this is going to go down. This is going to push it down. So I said, if I said that has to happen, brother. Hana Doraemon say yes. His work is only to say yes. So I literally said, man, this is going to create this candlestick, and why, and every single thing I said this actually happens. Just go and watch my video previously. Okay, so what happened is, I literally said like this is going to go down, and we got an engulfing candle. Okay, no, this was a Monday. I literally said this is going to go down, but I was waiting for the engulfing candlestick closure. I got engulfing candlestick closure, but the issue is it got so down, it closes so below, far from the area of interest. Do not turn this on. Far from the area of interest. So I just turn off, I just don't like the way it is. We are trading on a sell. We are selling so low, and plus the stop loss is so big. The risk reward was not making any kind of sense. Even though we got our 1:2 risk reward ratio, still I just don't like it. Because we even didn't got our risk to reward, because this will be the stop loss. Okay, hold on, this will be our stop loss. 34 plus 14 is equals to 34. 44, that is 10, and plus 4 is equals to almost 48, 49, 50. Yeah, we didn't even got our 1:2. So yeah, we missed the money. We were correct in our prediction. But I mean, this market moves the way I want it, but it doesn't move the way I want it. it moves the way I wanted, but it doesn't move the way I wanted. I'm saying the same thing but in different manner. I'm saying the same two different things. Do not watch the reel beside me. Close the volume. Turn off the volume.
Yes.
Shut down that motherfucker.
Oh.
So yeah, the trade was good. Yeah, the take profit is going to be this, of course, but the take profit was not making any kind of sense over here. We're getting we need to be at least. We at least need to be 1:2. If we are not having 1:2, fuck up. I don't care about this trade. I was right in my prediction that it is going to go down, but it have also gone down, but it have gone down the way I don't want it to go down. You know, now I was literally waiting for this candlestick to come over here, weak into this area of interest. So we literally would able to take the trade right there, and we could easily have the 1:2 risk to reward ratio right there. Just see the number over here. I will click over here. Hit 2.4. So that is a correct risk to reward ratio. So I was correct in my prediction, and that is how I missed my 1 lakh this week. Okay, not this week. This week is just started. Previous week, but that missing is just a thing, man. I follow the plan. Okay, so I have corrected in the 2 predictions. I avoided 2 losses, and there was no trade into one currency. What's more, so GBP NZD, oh my god, I was waiting for daily retracement candle because this haven't happened the way I've predicted. I was waiting for the retracement week into this area of interest to push to the upside the way it is looking into. I was literally waiting, like this is the candle I was looking to take the trade. Is Monday? Yes, that's correct. So, and why I haven't took the trade? Because the way it is looking, the way it was looking was not good. I was waiting for this candlestick to close above this line, which was going to make every single thing buyers bullish. So I was waiting for this, which haven't happened, and I literally avoided the loss to the perfection. Like serious, I literally avoided the loss to the perfection. So now we are looking into sell, but I will look into that. I will talk about that later on. But we are looking into before and after. So this is how I avoided the loss. So I literally avoided the loss to the perfection 3 times. I was correct in my prediction for 2 times, and I literally there was no trade on one currency. Almost 6 currencies. So what is the probability? There is 100% win rate over here. We're talking about 100. Okay, you open that. Huh? There was this rapper sound is coming. No, खा. अरे खरंच मी खाल्लं ना, ते मला बोलता नाही येणार. त्यामुळे तू खा तुझी पार्टी भाई खतरनाक.
Only in 1 month.
Wow. 1 month मस्त, very good. So over here, नाही खरंच मस्त, very good. Over here, so this is what I'm saying. Whatever I'm saying, it is happening to the perfection. If I say that has to happen, that has to happen. And this is like a before and after. Oh my god, I'm going to clip this video like anything. I'm going to attach the before and attach the after, and that is going to be beautiful content over there. And guess what, man, this is what actually increasing my confidence day after day, because I know what works. I know how the market works, and I am so good in this. Do you believe whatever I'm saying, it is happening to the perfection? And that is not a joke. That is my study. That is what I have struggled for, learning a lot of things. I have put whatever time I can able to put 15-16 hours per day. I was sleeping 5 hours, 6 hours a day, not even 6 hours, like 4-5 hours. Do you even believe this thing is true? This is not like a luck. This is not like, oh, I'm saying this and this happens. And if that, like, I'm talking about, I avoided 3 losses. By avoiding the 3 losses, by waiting for the candlestick confirmation closer, and the same thing which I have waited for over here on the 2 pairs, I literally avoided the profits. And on one currency there's nothing happened. Okay, so see, if I'm saying that has to happen, that has happened. If that happened the way I want, that will make money. If if I say that has to happen, if that thing doesn't happen the way I want, that will not make money, that will lose us money. So that is the reason I haven't took a trade on the things, on the trades which don't follow what I want. Okay, so this is how I avoided the losses, and also I avoided the profit. It's a part of a game. It just it's just nothing. Okay, so this is what is, I mean, this is this is the finishing of the section 2 of the video, that is the before and after. So now it's time to go for the next section. It is going to be the way of the time you all are waiting for. It's going to be the pure analysis. This analysis is going to tell us what in the world, how in the world, what in the world, and how in the world, which trades we are looking into to take the trade for this week. Because today is Monday, I literally got a little bit late, not little, almost one day late for doing the analysis of this trading, but it is what it is. And the next time I will be looking, I'm going to do the analysis in Hindi, not in English, because my 90% of the viewers are Indian, and most of the times Indian would like, if there are two videos in front of them, one is English and one is Hindi, all of the Indian would love to see a Hindi video rather than English video. And because that's a natural language they heard every single day, that language got so much connection with them. English language, they don't hear most of the time, not always, most of the time they don't hear that. That is the reason that language, English language, is not that more connectful towards them. That is the reason I'm looking to change my language from English to Hindi. That will fly, brother. Catch that. So that is the reason. Maybe now I'm literally practicing my thing, because my advertisement also going to be targeted audience is going to be in India, and also like, so that is the reason I'm going to do the advertisement in Hindi and English. We'll see, and literally we'll see like what actually works. Okay, but as per the things from almost 6 years, I'm doing the videos into English, and no one watches. Seriously. So now I have created the yesterday vlog in Hindi. I literally wanted to see like what audience is going to like push that content. So we'll see. Signing off. No signing off. Now we'll see. Now the start of a third section is going to be the pure technical analysis. Let's start it. So before I start, I will de-shortlist all of the currencies. De-shortlist, brother. De-shortlist. De-shortlist. D. Okay, I'm making you bored. All right, brother. GBB cat. GBB cat. Okay. In the morning I literally avoided losses to perfection. Okay, I will talk about what I'm talking about right now. It's GBB cat. Okay. Ooh, there is so much khujli. Anything bites me. Okay, we'll adjust this to perfection. What the fuck, you lens cut? I don't want to purchase right now, man. You're disturbing me, man. 3,139. We are right now correcting the area of interest, and this is the area of interest is a perfection. I mean, the more perfect you put your area of interest, the more perfect your thought process will be, your trades will be, and your charts will look like. Because there is nothing that works if you're not in perfected manner. All right, so in a daily basis, this area of interest looks like it needs to pull to the downside, because this is the upper side is done, the lower side is having this and this and this. So we looks like we should be considering that, just because of because this is also like a big magnet zone we're talking about. Because whenever we are above of this area of interest, we're buying, and whenever we are below, we're selling. Looks like I should be considering this. Yeah, that will be the most high probable, right? uh, okay, that's a clean, perfect. Alright, so I just want this kind of thing. Oh my god, I literally avoided loss of perfection, man, in the morning. What the fuck you doing? You eating? Of course, he bring to it too. He will eat. No, no, thank you, brother. No, thanks, brother. You ate, brother. Enjoy your day, brother.
Enjoy the day.
So, now I was looking to take the shelter, but we'll see, brother, we'll see. I will literally want a daily engulfing candle close to the downside of this area. Yeah, I literally want, like, honestly, I want this. I want. Okay, I will tell you what I'm looking into. See, man, I can literally imagine, like, I can see the future, man, and this thing is huge. This thing is fucking huge. Okay, I will tell you what I'm talking about. Let's start the analysis. I'm making noises. Alright, who's ready to make money? Okay, so here we go. Alright. So here we go. So on weekly we are bearish. We are beautifully bearish. So now this week the probability of making this red candle is very much high. It has to make that red candle very much high, okay, because we literally have the bearish, we got a doji, we create the retracement candle, we create the doji candle or the area of interest, okay, and also previous structure area as well. Also we do the liquidity grab. You don't know liquidity grab, it just like it just took taking a lot of stop losses, and now we are very much ready to go down, it doesn't matter if you don't know about liquidity grab, brother. It's not thing, it's like taking the stop losses, and if you don't know about that, good. You don't even know about that, you don't need to know about that. So this is like a daily is creating the higher highs and higher lows, okay, which is what turning me off. It's not good. See, what I'm looking into over here is bearish. Weekly is bearish. Weekly retracement doji, and now very high chances that it is going to create the new leg, create the very red candle, okay. But the only thing which I don't like is the daily. The daily is creating the higher highs and the higher lows, and also daily is on the position where it's where on the position, like, it's a higher high, it's beautiful higher low, and now it is very much likely that it is going to create the new upper trend, which is what I am not liking it. So that is the reason. But like, daily is saying that it is going to go up, and weekly is saying that it is going to go down. So now we have to consider, if such kind of scenarios come, we have to consider what a bigger time frame says. So bigger time frame says that it is going to go down, so we need to respect the bigger time frame rather than respecting the smaller time frame. So now we have to organize, and we have to think a lower time frame should get matched to the higher time frame sayings. So what I want over here, I literally want this candlestick to close the way it is right now, like beautiful engulfing. Then that is going to create a lower high, a potential lower high. Then I will be waiting for the beautiful red engulfing candle, okay, down there. Once the red engulfing candle is done, I need the candlestick closure below this area of interest. Once that done, then we are ready to cook to the downside. Then it will be beautiful to take the trade to the downside, man. That will be the beautiful thing. And also the 4 hours is going to do this. The 4 hours is going to close the way it is right now. Once the 4 hours close the way it is right now, then it is going to create the retracement candle. Then it is going to create some doji candle. Then it is going to create one more blue candle. Then it is going to get bearish, that is close below, and when it is close below, then it is going to retrace over here. And once the retracement is done, that is going to create the blue. This 4 hours over up till here, this this is going to close the day, and that day is going to close in a blue candle, which is I talk about, and the next day it is going to for us is going to get bearish, and that is how it is going to retrace, and it is going to push to downside. That is how the 4 hours the daily is going to close in a daily red candle, and on the next day we are waiting for the retracement, and then over here we are going to take the sell trade to the push to the downside. Oh my god, this is the huge and the most important thing which I'm talking about, because right now we are at a place where it is about to go up. If we don't follow the plan, it is about to go up. Okay, so I want for us to go bearish. That's the one thing, and the second thing I want is the daily candlestick closure below this area of interest. If these two things happens, then and only then I will be interested to take the trade to the downside. That is only which I am looking into. I don't care if this happens, if this don't happens, and still this price go down. I don't care. That was my prediction got correct. That's correct, but my prediction got correct, not in my way. So I will be waiting for the daily like this candle, and then I want the daily engulfing candle to the downside and close below this area of interest. That's it. That is it. I'm very much likely to take the trade over here. So yeah, I'm shortlisting this currency, this trade to take the trade for this week. So we'll type it down. So we are looking to sell. His probability is high, looking to sell, waiting for daily to go bearish. This time I'm okay with this risks. I'm waiting for daily candlestick. Why stick is there? Candle closer below a shamed below the AOI, below the area of interest. Alright, brother.
Alright, brother.
So I want daily candlestick closer below the area of interest. That's the one thing, and the second thing which I want is the 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours to go bearish. That is all I want. So for they.
Hey, can you open this?
No, bilkul nahi. I am into work.
Which mobile is this?
I am into work, brother. Do not disturb me.
Ready me. Where is the mobile?
So, holy shit, something's biting, motherfucker, me. Oh, something bites me, man.
Oh.
Alright, so when are we looking into? We have to keep it constant monitoration every single day. So Monday, Tuesday. A list probability is on Tuesday, but most probability is on Tuesday, Wednesday, WED and EST. Because why I'm talking about why, because Tuesday can be possible. We can have the current candlestick closer below this area of interest. If that happens, good. I don't care. I just want the candlestick closer below this area of interest. That will be confirm me that this thing is going to go down. Alright. So that is why I'm looking into Tuesday. But that is what least probably thing is going to be happen. That this candlestick is going to close below this area of interest. That is a very less probability. But the high probability what I'm looking into, that I want this candlestick to close the way he want. I mean the way it is, and the next day I want this candlestick to close below. Take your leg there. Take your leg there. अरे पाय तिकडे पोरा हसू काय असं listen. So and the next day, that is this Monday, candlestick is going to close the way it is right now, and the next day, that is Monday, Tuesday candlestick is going to close the way it is right, the engulfing candle below this area of interest. That is a Tuesday. This is the most high probability. That is what I am looking into. But the least probability we can go on, that is this. Okay, do you understand this? This makes sense? No, that doesn't make sense, because I have speak in very hard word. Okay. Alright, so I will I will talk a bit. I will explain again. Okay. So,
So
first
bye,
thing.
bro.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
So first thing
All the
is.
best.
अगं बाय म्हणलं ना तुला.
ये मग संध्याकाळी पतंग उडू आपण.
अभ्यास कर अभ्यास.
अभ्यास करू.
चल बाय 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 लवकर
Bye,
लवकर
bye, bye,
चल
bye.
लवकर चल.
Yes.
Okay. On Tuesday, why I have considered 2 days, one day and second day. That is, today is Monday, so I'm looking into Tuesday and also Wednesday. So on Tuesday, I want, if there is two things which is going to happen: the low probability and the high probability. The low probability thing is going to be happen. This candlestick, the current candlestick, is going to close below this area of interest. Then that time I will be waiting for 4 hours to go bearish, and I can take the trade to the downside. That is the low probability thing. Okay, and the second scenario is going to be the high probability thing. This high probability thing is going to be, I want Monday candlestick to close the Monday candlestick to close up, and the Tuesday candlestick to close below, and that is how I want to take the trade on Wednesday. That is why I have clicked over here Tuesday and Wednesday. So that is on Wednesday. If the things which I said, that I want an engulfing candle right there and a next engulfing candle right there downside, below this area of interest, that is going to give us the trade on Wednesday, and that is going to be the highest probable trade. I mean, if we are entering in that trade, that is going like celebrate before we can celebrate before the take profit happens. So that is what this high probability. So okay, so I'm very much interested to take the trade to this downside. So daily is bullish, 4 hours is bullish. So okay. So yeah, I will waiting for these two things. That is the daily candlestick close up below this area of interest, no matter what. And 4 hours to go bearish. We'll look into it. GBP CAD, I'm shortlisting this trade. Ha, my nose is back. That's worst sound. Alright, so Euro USD weekly. So right now I just don't think to take the trade, because to the upside, not even a downside. It's just because it is about to create the new higher high. If it is creating the new higher high, where the higher low is? Higher low is over here. This is so far. It has to create the higher low to go above, right? So I just, I'm just not liking the way it is right now. So I'm very much not interested to take the trade right now. Not interested at all. So I'm passing this time. CAD JPY, I'm talking about CAD JPY. So I'm saying, brother, in the next upcoming weeks, starting from this week, started from previous week only, but the next upcoming weeks, I'm talking about that we will be having trades every single week. Very much high probability that we will be making money every single week, even though we will be losing money every single week. What I mean by that, we'll be taking 4 trades, not 4 trades. We'll be taking the 3 trades. Even though we lose half of the time, we will be still making money. That's math work. So that is what I'm talking about. We will be still making money even though we lose half of the time. Okay. So CAD GPY. So don't worry, I'm with you. Okay, I clicked on that advertisement, man. Shit, that's the worst thing I haven't done. Okay, I'm just taking my things back because sun is started to come down on my face. Okay, yeah. Yo, Euro USD looks similar like anything, but I don't care. I just don't trade like this. So in CAD GPY, I will be waiting for this engulfing candle to close the way it is right now. That's it. And next week we will be looking to take the trade to the downside. But can we take any kind of trade right now? Probably not. I mean, nah. I mean, we could take the trade, but that will be the most high risk trade. Okay. We can take this trade, but it will be super high risks. But if I'm okay for that risks, I can take that trade if I'm okay for that risk. Is daily got bearish and that works? Daily, daily is about. But even though daily got bearish, if you retrace and then yeah, this is going to be. I mean, this could be the long term, but like this is. I mean, this could be a trade. Catch GPYs could be a trade. We'll look into it. I will explain what I was saying up till now. What I want to take the high probability setup once this engulfing candle close. That will actually tell like I will actually give a signal that this is going to have the retracement somewhere around here. Okay, that's correct. But the thing is, we can also take the trade for this week. If this daily candlestick closure below this structure, this candle, blue candle, yeah, I'm looking into taking the trade to the downside, because that will also make the 4 hours bearish and also retrace to this EMA, which will be a high probable on a lower time frame. But the thing is, yeah, beautiful. So yeah, we can like, but that will be the low probable, because we have already learned our lesson that we should be always be waiting for the weekly engulfing candle, whatever it takes. But this time we are getting we got the weekly rejection candle. That is what we are looking into, and we are heading towards the engulfing candle on the weekly. So we can predict that the daily is going to, if daily got bearish, then we can push to downside for next 2 weeks. But I can take for this week, and then we can wait for retracement for the next week, and then we can take the trade for the next week. So we can take the trade. That is but this is going to be the low probable high risk trade, and I'm completely okay with this. I'm completely fucking okay with this. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I will be looking into taking the trade to downside once the daily got bearish. Daily got bearish means once this candlestick closer below this candle pass, that's it. I'll wait for the little bit retracement, and then we'll push to downside. That is actually going to create the 4 hours get bearish, beautifully bearish. We'll be looking into 4 hours candlestick closer, 4 hours will be bearish, and then we'll be having a retracement that EMA is going to come up and push this price to the downside. I mean, if you are watching the EMA thing, yeah, that works. But that doesn't work the way you think, that if the price is up EMA above EMA, it will just go up. That thing is scam, it's fake that thing doesn't work. Okay, so catch GPY, beautiful. The probability, I mean, I'm accepting this risks. If this is going to be the lowest probable low, the probability is low, the risk is going to be the high risk trade. Is looking to sell. This is going to be the counter trend trade. I mean, trade type is equals to counter trend trade. Looking to sell, waiting for. I am actually waiting for. Okay, whatever I write, I literally don't know what I write, because I haven't read that. I'm just deleting without reading. So I'm waiting for the first thing is daily and 4 hours to go bearish. That's all I'm waiting. So waiting time is, we can wait for Tuesday. We need to wait for Tuesday. I mean, today's day, we'll checking on Tuesday. It's going to be one day. Because this current candlestick, this kind of close, I feel weird, one big, one red. So I'm thinking right now, that's why I'm closing my eyes. So if this candlestick close the way it is right now, then it will be creating a doji. We'll see. I mean, I just can't able to think about how it is going to close. I think so. It will going to create this and then doji and then push it downside. That will be the beautiful thing to grab the buyers and then whatnot. But it is what it is. Like we'll check into Tuesday, whatever it is. Right today, at least today there is no trade because we will be waiting for the daily to get bearish. Today, daily and for us to get bearish. So we will be looking into this. Cat JPY coming into my stock. Beautiful. So NZDJPY, I hope you got the things which I'm looking into. NZDJPY, brother, I just don't like the trade. I mean, yeah. what looks good? What looks better, the CAT JPY or NZDJPY? In NZDJPY, the daily is bullish, and in CAT JPY, daily is going to get bearish if this is going to come to the downside. So the most high probable, high make sense, high logical thing is to sell the CAT JPY rather than NZDJPY. Okay, you guys are not. If you guys are not able to think and are not able to imagine whatever I'm saying, brother, you need to have more practice. That is the sign. Okay, you need to have more practice, and if you don't have practice, you suck. Jeez. Okay, looks good. This also looks good. Not gonna lie, brother. This does looks good because we literally stop and literally gone sideways on this portion. If this candlestick closes the way it is, we are going to cook to the downside. It is going to happen. I believe in this and I know about this. Why I believe in this and I know about this? Because I saw this millions and millions of times. So the question is, will I take this trade? That's a nice question. Man, this trade looks solid, brother. Like this is the solid trade. Oh my goodness. This trade is super top notch trade. I mean, I like it. I literally like it. But the only thing, as I learn, brother, I will be waiting for the daily, weekly engulfing candle or weekly rejection candle. There is no rejection on weekly. Skip. On daily and 4 hours, it looks beautiful to take the trade to the downside, but there is no engulfing candle on a weekly. Very less chances that it is going to go down. Very less chances. So I don't like this. So GBP art, what's up? Alright, brother. So whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are below, we are selling. Okay? No, there is no below. Just whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are above, we are buying. So right now we are above. I don't know what is going to happen. I mean, yeah. Now it is going to have the retracement, create a lower high, and then create a new lower low. Can we take the trade over here? We'll see. We'll look into it. We'll see. We'll analyze. Do not worry, brother. I believe this is going to create the red candle down here. I believe in this because whatever I say, it has to happen. But it just can't push it downside the way it is right now. I mean, it has to create the lower high. If it is going to create the lower high, it is going to come up till here and it is going to push it downside. The 4 hours got bullish. Yeah, 4 hours will get bullish. Go above here, man. Shift of structure, then push it downside. Oh my god, this is so simple. Making money is so simple, man. Like, and people make money in so hard way, like they literally feel like to do suicide. This is so hard way. I mean, people do job, people work for less amount of money and do multiple jobs to make at least average salary. That is so hard way. This is the simplest way to make money. The simplest. Alright, so can we take any kind of trade over here? I mean I am in. No, I mean yeah. I have heard about this. I mean, I don't know, man. Let's focus over here. This is lower high, this is lower low, lower high, and this is going to create a new lower low. It is going to create that new engulfing candle down to the downside. Whatever engulfing candle, imagine it's a red candle. So what I believe this is going to come, it's going to go up, and then it is going to push the downside on Friday. Um, I believe this is going to happen. Okay, so I'm checking it right now. Whatever we can do it. It's going to wake and then mm, 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 because it gotta create that it has to close the way it is. I mean, close into engulfing. It just can't, my decision is going to make me money or lose me money. So I have to think it so clearly. This because see, the only two things is going to happen. If either it go up or either it go on. What makes sense? Either it go up or either it go down. Right now, whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are above, we're buying. And I believe this time is going to break this rule. This is going to go down. You know why? Because the price action looks like that: low, lower high, low, no, lower high, low, lower high, and now it is going to create a new lower low. So I believe this is going to break this and is going to go down. And if that happens, it is going to close and it is going to engulf, and then it is going to close as then it is going to close like a doji, and then it is going to push it on like this weird pattern, and I don't like this pattern. Up doji and then box, it doesn't look good. This pattern, maybe this pattern is going to form over here, engulfing, and then push it on side. And it gotta create the lower high on the daily time frame to create a new lower low, because it just can't push it downside. But the only thing is, as per the pattern of the weekly, whenever we are above we are buying, and whenever we are above we are buying, and right now we are above. So let's imagine if this kind of closed like a doji, what else is going to happen? If is this going to go up? Probably. Like, let me check on monthly. Oh, not minute, monthly. What's up with monthly? 2 days? Okay. December is going to end, right? Holy shit, the timing is not good, man. I should not work on two months at the same time, because that is going to weak us. That is going to weak thing is going to happen. It's good. I feel like this is going to close like somewhere over here. That is going to create the lower high, and that is next month is going to push it downside. Probably because I just don't believe it is going to create this upside candle. It will be so weird, Yeah. Imagine if it is created upside candle like this. I don't believe in this, I mean, yeah, that can be a lower high as well to create a new lower low, but this thing can also be done by just this kind of close if it is the way it is, and then next kind of is going to push it downside. If this candle is going to close, then this candle is going to be have this. This will create the lower. Oh yeah, something is. I mean, things are getting connected, brother. If it's going to create the lower high, it is going to come over here, and the next week it is going to push it downside. I mean, this week is going to push it downside, but the only thing is matter is like this also looks good. Like if the blue candle started and closed over here, it also looks good. It doesn't look like a weird. It looks as good as well, like a lower high over here. But that lower high also get created if it is going to close somewhere down there, right? Like this. The next day, next candle is going to push it downside. That is going to finish that loop. Okay. Hmm. So okay, if this close like this, then the next week, next month is going to be weak over here somewhere there, and then it is going to push it downside. It's going to create a loop. Beautiful, beautiful. I done, brother. Like as per the thing, it is going to create the engulfing candle down there. I mean the red candle. Oh shit! It doesn't look good. The camera, man, in this angle. This angle looks good. This angle, yeah. I believe this is going to happen. I believe this. I believe this. If I believe this, that I just can't. I just don't believe. I like this. I believe in back with the back of my data. Okay. Oh shit! This is so matching, bro. Like wow, wow. I want this low eye to get created, and I want the candlestick close below this line, below this area of interest. Then we can easily look into to take the trade. Right now this is bullish, which is turning me off. I want the engulfing candle, like close doji engulfing candle. That is the the recipe to come to the downside. Come to the downside. But the only thing which I don't like is whenever we are above, we are buying. I'm gonna have to figure this out because yeah, it's going to weak and then push it downside. Because I believe, like, see, like you wanna imagine this. This does look similar, so good, bearish. Does this looks so like a pattern, break retest, no, break retest, break. No, it is very much like ready to break, right? Man, I mean, yeah, done. So, and one more thing is, we just can't take the trade in the blindly. We are going to take the trade. Oh my god. Yes, I'm talking very cool. So now this is going actually, yes, see, daily is going to close the this candlestick is going to close the way it is right now. Next day is going to close like a engulfing candle, blue engulfing candle. Next day is going to be have a doji candlestick over here, or even if there is no doji candlestick, there is very high chance that it is going to create a doji. But if there is no doji, then we'll waiting for the 4 hours to go bearish. The 4 hours, like this is going to happen, man. This is going to come up here, okay, then it is going to do like this and it is going to get bearish. Once it got bearish, this EMA is going to come over here. We will be having the retracement and then we will be going to sell to the downside. And if this is going to come up, okay, this will require almost 2 days for sure, because one day to close like this, the second day is going to come and retrace over here and close candlestick closer over here. So within 2 days, this monthly candlestick is going to close, right? So if this candlestick closes over here, done, this will be the lower high. If this is created a lower high, there is always a reason, okay? So if this is created a lower high, that means it is going to create a lower low. That means that is the reason it has created a lower high. So next month, that is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it is going Thursday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, TUE, acha, THU, that is Thursday. Thursday and Friday, it is going to push to downside. Brother, this is. I am actually cracked the code of the market, man. Like, I am the world. I know what is going to happen. I literally know what is going to happen. If I sell this information to a $1 billion company, I will be making billions of dollars by just selling this information, not even trading. By my analysis, I can literally sell this analysis. Oh my god, man, this is so big. Which I'm going to do it in pretty much coming months. That is what I'm talking about. I am going to get so big, and guess what? If I got so big, you guys are going to get big as well, because I will be sharing each and every single process on YouTube. So guys, you can follow it. You can literally copy what I'm doing, and you can literally you can do what I'm doing, and you can get what I'm getting. That is why if I get successful, you will get successful as well. That is the thing, brother. That is the thing. GVP odd, I like it. So what I'm waiting over here, risk is very low, because it is what it is. Probability is high as well. Waiting for sell. Monthly doji, monthly week to get created. Yeah, that's the important thing. The daily aim for us to go bearish. Exactly. Retracement. So I want daily to retrace. To create the lower high. And then next thing which I'm looking into, that 4 hours to go bearish. That's all I'm waiting for. That's it. So we're now going to look into, that is Monday candlestick, Tuesday candlestick. If Monday candlestick close the way it is right now, if Monday candlestick close the way like a doji, I want the Tuesday candlestick to close on the area of interest. If Monday candlestick close on the area of interest, then I will waiting for Tuesday to take the trade. But if Monday candlestick close the way right now, then I will waiting for the Tuesday candlestick to come and close on the area of interest. Then on Wednesday we'll be having the trade. So it's very much depend when we will be having a trade. It depends on how today's candlestick is going to close. So we need to check the trade on every single day. It just take 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, it just take 10 seconds. So I'll be looking for Tuesday and Wednesday. That's it. that's right there is only it, brother. I'm getting so good in prediction, man. JV odd, come into my box. Done. Euro JPY. Yeah, why? Alright, boys. We got the rejection on this Euro JPY, but we didn't got that huge rejection. It's a bit weird to see what I'm saying right now. I mean, we can take the sell, like this is going to create the up, but this thing is going nowhere, man. This thing is going nowhere for a whole week, because it gotta create it gotta create. If it is wanted to go up, it has to close the way right now or close somewhere down there. If it is going to go up, it just can't go up right now. If it is going to go down, it is going to come and fill this week up till here. If that happens, beautiful. Okay. Like this is like low, lower, higher low, higher high, higher potential higher low to go up, which is not good at all, because it is not going to go up by any ways. 4 hours has already got bearish? Is it got bearish? Is it? Is it? Is it? No, it haven't. It haven't. I am not interested in this trade at all. Forex is bullish at any cost. I'm really not looking to take the trade. Fuck it. Not a good trade. At least not now. This is close. See what I'm saying right now? Can you able to see? Holy shit, it's going to do what I'm saying right now. It's going to create the beautiful up and down, a beautiful doji, and then it is going to go down or go up, but very high chance it is going to go down. See, this is going to wick over here, wick into this area of interest. You know why? Because Forex has to gate bearish. So the rally is still not done. This is going to go up. Understand what I'm saying? Jesus, why mom call? Shit. Welcome back once again, brother. I did time pass, man. Time pass for 47 minutes. Trading study back again. Yeah, this is my weirdest photo ever. Which is 2019. I was a lot weird, man. I literally mirrored myself and I just tilt my eyes. Fuck, I was so weird, man. So what YouTube has VS code just TK bar. Let's continue where we left off. So where we left off on this place over here, on the middle of the earth. It's loading. So where we left off on the third section, we were continuing the third section. So which is the pure technical analysis. Holy shit, this is doing the things which I wanted. GBPR. Oh shit, this surface is so uneven. It's not even will divide the pressure on all the place by sitting like this. GBPR, where the GBPR is? Now I need over here GBPR. Jesus, we still on GBPR. So yeah, this is what I'm actually looking into. Oh man, this is happening to the perfection. This is what I said. This thing is what I actually said. It is going to go up. It's going to have the shift of structure and then going to go down. So I wrote this down daily to create lower high for us to go bearish. That's all we want over here. GBPR selected. So now let's go on a Euro JPY. Alright, what's up with the Euro JPY? Loading and is loading. Okay, we have started the Euro JPY, I think so. Euro JPY, the weekly is not having that much rejection, so it's pretty much not good to see. Let's not see, but I believe this is going to go down. You know why? Just because of weekly have created this wick which needs to get filled. If that is going to get filled, this is actually created the lower high to get the new lower low. If this candlestick is going to close the way it is right now, the next candle is going to wick and then create the red candle. I will show you the candle which I'm talking about. Like this candle is going to get create, and if I'm say that has to happen, and also 4 hours is going to get bearish, which is actually 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours is bullish right now. Okay, I got it. Why I have discarded. 4 hours is bullish, so I thought the 4 hours is completely bearish. So if 4 hours is bullish, so it has to go up, do these things, and then push to downside, and go up, and then push to downside. Until that, this EMA will come and then push to downside. This is going to happen. So yeah, this is going to little come over here, somewhere here, and then it's going to push to downside. Which is what this candlestick is going to close. If this candlestick closes the way it is right now, this thing is going to go down, but I am not going to take the trade. It's not that high probable. Okay, alright, this is the odd CAD. The odd CAD looks good. This is bearish, but structure is bullish. This is going to create the new higher high, and it is going to create the blue candle this week, which is right now the wick is getting created at downside, But the only thing, oh my, that is what I was saying. The only thing which I don't like is the way the daily looks like. And I literally said this in morning, even though for someone give me a hug, man. Like wow. I literally said this that it is not ready to buy in the morning only because it is pushing the upside. It is not ready to buy just because of the daily is not looking the way. Then it's not looking good. Very good. Very fucking beautifully good. So that is how I literally avoided the loss to the perfection in the morning only. Man, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you, this is just the start of the growth of our trading, and man, this is looks so huge. Jeez. So what is going to happen? You know what is going to happen? I will tell you what is going to happen. I will tell you straight, and I am going to clip this thing, which I am going to say is good. Like I am until this load, I have to talk. I am literally got so big right now, so big like anything in trading perspective. So beautifully liquidity grab. You know what I want? I want this lower high to get created. I want this candlestick to close over some below this area of interest, and the next candlestick I want this candlestick to engulf and close above this area of interest and engulf above this line. I will show you visually only. So I want this candlestick to close over here. Once this candlestick close over there, then I want the next candlestick to close above above this above this candle. And once that done, the next day I will be waiting for the next day. The week is going to happen, and then I will be taking the trade to the upside. Holy shit. Yeah, next day I will be taking the trade to the upside. It's going to be happen. But if and only if this candlestick close like this below and the next goes up, that right there is the game plan, which is going to make the 4 hours bearish, and then is going to make the 4 hours bullish. And once this you guys will not understand what I'm talking about. Hold on, I will show you visually. I'm getting good day after day after day for explaining as well. So now this thing is going to go down. Okay, once this candlestick is next candle is going to go down, the next candle is going to retrace like this. It is like one candlestick, and the next candlestick is going to create a doji, and the next candle is going to push the downside, which is like where this is going to come below the EMA. A lot of sellers are going to sell over here. They're going to get bullshit, and this is going to go up. Okay, the 4 hours is going to get bullish, and then it is going to retrace. That is how the daily is going to close. The first day is going to close as the bearish engulfing candle, right? Yes, bearish engulfing candle, bearish candle. Understand? Not engulf. Make it simple. Bearish candles. I will make it more simple. The red candle, and the next day is going to be the blue candle, like on a daily. And I'm talking about the 4 hours is going to do this to make the daily blue candle on the daily Tuesday. So now on Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then will be having a retracement over here, and then we are going to take the trade to the upside. Man, this is like beautiful trade. This is going to happen. Either or, this has to happen. This just can't go up without doing this. It has to do this. Okay, and this is going to do this. If I said that has to happen, there is no other option market have. If I said that has to happen, I'm getting a lot of clues, and I can't able to share every single thing details in the live, I mean in this video. But understand, brother, this is going to create the candle like this, and will be also looking for the beautiful left and then beautiful head and little bit right shoulder that is going to break and then retrace. It's going to go up. That was a bit complicated, but it is what it is, and this is what is going to happen. Okay, if I said that Has to happen motherfucking things. Brother, I'm getting so good in this podcast. So let's. नमस्कार. प्रतीक किधर आहे? झालं. प्रतीक कुठे आहे? असं आहे का? बर. त्याला पाठवा वरती जमलं तर. So probability risk is low, probability is high. Looking for buy. Oh, this is the wrap. Risk is low, probability is high. Looking for buy. Waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. That doesn't match. Waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. Nah. Whatever I'm waiting for, I'm going to write over here. Okay. I'm waiting for daily lower high to get create, which I have already explained you what I'm looking into. Then I need 4 hours to go bullish. That's all I'm waiting for. So now I'm waiting for today's day to have the red candlestick form on daily. Monday, today is Monday, right? Tuesday candlestick is going to get form blue candle. Tuesday, and yeah, Tuesday candlestick closure. So we will be looking into Wednesday. WEDNESTAY. So we are waiting for 2 days. Today and tomorrow. Should we consider today? One day? I don't know, man, how to calculate this, but yeah, on Wednesday we'll be having a trade. If everything follows the way I want, we'll be having a trade. So weekly is bearish, daily is bullish, 4 hours is bearish. Basically, we'll be having a 2 time frame and saying like a lot of things is going to get match over here in OddCat. I'm talking about like a lot of things. Like, let me tell everyone. Okay, let me just tell everyone like, wow, this is going to be happen and this is going to be happen. News update. This week we are going to make money. If I said that has to happen. And guess what? That should be new message. And guess what? I will share my trades over here for free. So enjoy. Today, no trade. If I took any trade, so nice. So enjoy. Today, no trade. Wow. Holy shit, whoa. What was that? Wow. Okay, OddCat. A shortlist is OddCat. Probability. Yes, OddCat done. Now let's go for Euro. God. Jesus, OddCat. Euro odd. If OddCat is going to go up, Euro odd is going to go down. Is it what it is? Jeez. Is there any helicopter over there? No? Alright, boys, Euro odd. We're waiting for Euro odd to go down. I believe this is going to create the candlestick to the downside. I think so. We'll check it. Nah. Oh, looks like that. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Holy shit. Okay, so we're waiting for the retracement over here, and now the question is, the only issue is going to be this EMA. the weekly EMA. I mean, people believe this EMA thing. That is why they buy and they sell. That is why this drives the reaction whenever we touch the EMA. It's going to be happen, man. If there is no trade to this week, within 2 weeks there is going to be a trade and we're going to make money like anything. I mean, now our making money time has started. I just can't. I want to show this. I want to show this freedom to my mom, that this is what I want to say. All right, let me check. It's a bit confusing right there. We'll look into it. So okay, so we have started to go down, right? We have started to go down. There is the beautiful, like beautiful things is happening on monthly. Today's fuck. Done, brother. But I don't. If this thing is going to come up over here, be real with you, okay? Like, just be real. This is the area of interest. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick to come over here. But imagine, like, just go on weekly. Just imagine, like that's a logical thing. If this candlestick is going to go up and literally going to close over here, or literally going to come over here, what is the probability of this is going to come down? A whole week. It takes a whole week to come over here, and within one day it is going to come down. Does that even make sense? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know about you, but at least for like, I will be honest with you all guys. At least for me, it doesn't make any sense. And why in the world this is not working? I'm fucking on terrace right now. Oh shit. I believe this is not the time to go down. Because yeah, this is going to go down by wicking in over here. A small wick and then push to downside. That is the game plan. But what the fuck is this? I don't believe in this, I still again, let me just confirm. If it is going to come over here, is it possible to come fully down over here and then a whole candlestick is going to be the whole week and there is no body? Pretty much that right there is the sign of this is not going to work. Like, this is how you have to think, okay? You just can't think like, yo, this is coming down, sell. That's all poor people do. That's why they lose money and stay poor rather than making money, So you are professional, man. You are my students. So I want you to get successful. I just don't believe this is going to happen. Suck it. Fuck it. Mock it. Alright. If it decided to retrace, if it retrace over here, I just don't believe. Again, let me just repeat it again because I just want to confirm my scenario. I just don't believe this is going to reverse all. That will be the weird pattern ever. So whatever I'm feeling right now, we need to wait for 2 weeks. This week and the next week. The exact same. A red candle, one blue candle, and one blue candle, and next is the red candle. Again, red candle. So what was the candle after red candle? One blue candle. Exactly. See over here. One red candle, one blue, and next blue. The red candle, one blue candle coming here. One blue candle is going to be a doji somewhere over here, and next is the red candle. That is the beautiful thing. So looks like we need to wait for the 2 weeks on this currency. Even though it looks beautiful to take the trade to the downside, I just don't want to mess up because I take the trade on probability basis, not on what I feel like to take the trade. It's not a good probability. Skip it. Now we are talking. Euro GBP. Oh yeah, we are talking. Now, yes, we are talking. Euro GBP. Like, wow. This is beautiful. Created a lower high to create a new lower low. Now this is going to create a lower low. I mean, you can ask like, how in the world you know? I don't know, but I just know. Okay, man, this is going to be beautiful trade, man. What the fuck you're doing? Kinda beautiful. Now this is turning me off. But yeah, this is like a beautiful trade. We can adjust about that. Wow, wow, wow. That is awesome. Oh my god. That trade is awesome. I can use the fair value gap scenario over here. I really don't know that works or not, but most people thinks works. We'll look into it for working thing. I still believe this is going to go down, but the fair value gap of the monthly is going to connect 2 weeks should get match each other. 2 weeks of the candles should get matched to with each other. So next month candle is going to start at after 2 days. So it is going to create. It is going to go up, and also week over here. Jesus, I must be showing the things which I'm thinking right now. So this is the week. Okay, this is the week. That's the worst era I've ever come. This is the week of the candle. Okay, this I'm talking about. This black line is the week of the candle. When there is a healthy, when there is a market pattern is getting followed, 1 week of the candle is following the other week. That means if this candlestick closes here, then the next candle is going to go up and create the wick up till the previous candle, and then it is going to push to downside. Okay, this is what how market laws follows. But there is also scenario where it just don't overlap. Like see this, like see exact thing. This candlestick close over here, this candlestick start came back very much closer to previous candle week and then go up, which is showing that this is the fair value gap. I mean, this is like so much advanced stuff. I don't know this works or not, because that is why I'm saying this advanced stuff. I really don't know this works or not, but whatever I can able to see in the market patterns, market scenario, this works. I mean, this works somewhat, but I just don't care about that. Okay, I just care about what my analysis is, what my things is. So whatever it is I'm feeling, I feel like this is going to create the red candle right now. Scenario is going to be this, but we can't neglect about this as well, because next candlestick has to follow the previous candle week. Looks like that. Holy shit, this is so true. Fuck, this thing is so fucking true, man. Why in the world I'm sitting on the I should be sitting on the golden chair, man. I've cracked the code of the market, man. See this. Okay, I will literally give an example of what I'm talking over here. See, you will find the candlesticks fair value gap candles is somewhat. Now this is what I don't use at all, but this is what ICT people use, ICT traders use. So why not to use their concept sometimes, So now say this candle. Now this current candle have overlapped the week on the previous candle, right? This current candle week has overlapped the previous candle week. That is what the healthy pattern looks like. Again, I will also give you an example. So this is the candle, this is the wick, this is the middle candle. So left candle of that middle candle, the wick over here, and the right candle of the middle candle is the wick over here. So candle starts over here, it came literally down to just to overlap this wick to the previous candle wick, and then it gone up. So why not to use this thinking over here? Okay, and which is actually matching with our things. Okay, just see this. So now imagine this candlestick close over here, somewhere down there. The next candle is going to start and go up to overlap this current candle wick. The new candle is going to get formed to the previous candle wick over here. So if it is going to come up, imagine the weekly is literally going to go up this big, okay, and the daily is going to literally go up and touch to the daily EMA, which is adding a lot of things into going up only. And after I go up, also the 4 hours got bullish. Oh my goodness, this thing is stacking a lot of things. But now this is what this analysis is coming just because of monthly new candle is going to get formed. That is why the issue is going to come. If the monthly was not going to create the new candle, brother, we could easily literally take the sell trade right now and easily going to create the red candle, because it is going to create the red candle, man. I know this because I know this. It is going to create the red candle anyhow, but just because of monthly is going to get formed the new candle, that is why this has to create the week over here. So it needs to go up. If it is going to go up, it is beautiful. Like, look at the shift of structure. I could literally buy this. I could literally buy this trade right now. That is going to be super high risk, but I just wait, just fucking buy this. I have that $5,000 account. I'm not taking it. I'm not trading on that account right now. If this kind of a close above, I'm going all in. Okay, we'll look into it. Yeah. See, that account, $5,000 account, I just can't take the same trade on both $5,000 and $1 lakh account, just because of it will be like a copy trading in between my accounts, and which is not acceptable with the platform. It's very weird, but it is what it is. You just can't help it. So I believe this is going to come up. Okay, so imagine this. If this is going to come up, what is the probability of this? After this come up, it is going to come down. What is the probability? Not very much. It is like next to impossible. Almost whole week is going to get consumed for coming up, and then within 1 week it is going to come down. Bullshit. That's could be. But if that monthly thing is not going to get true, I mean, I still believe, like that monthly thing. Okay, I know. Now I decided to delete this higher low. I want to delete this higher low. If that monthly thing was not correct now, I would literally love to take the trade to the downside. If this kind of close like this, literally, like, this is beautiful, man. But just because of this monthly is going to create a new candle, that monthly candle has to create the week to the upside. Not a single candle is having the week to the upside and downside. Not a single candle. This same. No. Have I said something wrong? Not a single candle is having. No. I will say correct. Every single candle has the week to the upside and week to the downside. Now the new candle is going to get created on the monthly. It has to create the week to the upside, and then it is going to go to downside. The exact same way, this weekly has to do that, right? Yeah. So I will be definitely loving to take the trade to the upside if and only if 15-minute got bullish. Only and only if. That is right there is the thing. I can literally wanted to do this. Alright, boys, so we are actually going to shortlist this trade, but I'm not going to take this trade on the big account. I just want to take this trade on the small account, which is going to be 1 lakh. Okay, so I'm going to shortlist this trade. But not I'm not going to take this trade on the big account. I just want to take this trade on the small account, which is going to be 1 lakh. the trade on that account just because of, and I maybe share that trade, maybe not. This is going to be a like super high risk trade. The probability of winning is almost next to zero, because not next to zero, like probability is of winning is almost 20%. So it's like a lowest probable trade, because whenever we are above we are buying, and whenever we are selling we are below we are selling. And a lot beautiful, we have created a lower high to create a new lower, like this is beautiful. But the only thing which I am just turning off with the monthly week, which is not going to get considered by a lot of traders, and a lot of traders are going to lose just because of that. And I just wanna take the trade because I have to do some activity on that account just to keep that account active. So we can take this trade, right? Why not? Because why not? Right. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Euro GBP, I'm liking it just to take the trade on the small account. Risk is extremely high. Can talk about extremely high. Probability is extremely low, next to zero. Looking to buy, counter trend. For 30 minutes to go, 15 minutes to go, 30 minutes to go. 15 minutes to go, bullish. Bullish. Waiting time one day, come to Tuesday. Nah, today. Waiting time today. आजकल है taking on small account. Taking on small account. Weekly bullish, daily bearish. Yeah. Literally going to suck, man. I'm very much ready to lose the $50. If we make money, we make money. If we lose, we lose. That's it. Whatever it takes. I don't care. This is what separates me. Your fear of losing, because you don't know how to make money if you lose. I know how to make money if I lost. That is why money goes and money comes. What to fear? The fear comes when you don't know how to make money if you lost. That is why you need to learn. If you know how to make money after doing loss, there is no fear. The exact same way, imagine if you're just stepping out from your home. Are you feared to step out from your home? Are you feared to get lost? Of course fucking not. You are not fear. That is why your confidence to go out without using the Google map. Yeah, first time you will use. But if you stay on a 20 years in the same place, you will be stepping out without any fear, without any Google map, without any phone. You will just go out and just come back to your home, exact same place where you stay for 20 years. Exact same. Why you fear? No, because you know how to go out and how to come to the home, because you did it multiple times and you know how to do it. Yeah, first when you just shifted on that new place, yeah, of course you will be fear, just because of you don't know how to come back to the home after you get out from the home. So that is why I know how to, that is what I'm saying, I know how to recover the loss after doing the loss. I know this. That is, I just can't do the loss, brother. That is the thing, I just can't do the loss. Euro GBP, short list there, well done. GBP USD, what's up? I hate this currency, I don't like this. Don't like this. GBJPP, what the fuck? GBJPY. That's a high risk. No one invest my time. What's up with USGPY? Where are we? Oh, we are in a top stop. That's not good. And it is going. USGPY, mark my words, brother. It is going nowhere. It is not going to go up. Not is it going to go up, go down. It has to create a doji right there. It is going to do nothing. Okay, and It's just going to do nothing. It is just going to fuck around there. Eurocad, yeah. Eurocad, it is going to go down. I know it is going to go down. And now a lot of positions are on right now. They are closing just because of they're getting freaked out because why it is going to go up. So you know what I mean. What I mean. It has to go down, man. There is no other option. I believe this is going to go down like over here. So we just have to figure out like there are going to be a lot of sales opportunities right there. So I know how to do the things. It is going to create the red candle down there. Can we take any trade over there? This was a beautiful trade, man. That stop loss and take profit was not getting matched. Also, the time was not getting matched. This candle, like, if for any reason, if this candlestick comes over here, I'm good. I'm going to take the trade. But the question will be like, if this is going to come over here, is this same candle is going to form this peak? That doesn't make sense. I mean, daily structure. I mean, yeah, this can be the things. We can, let's delete this line. Oh shit, I looked not good. Yeah, this is the structure. Ooh, we can shift this. Hangaso. Yeah, this is the structure down there. Yeah, beautiful. Yes. Now I'm waiting for the candlestick closure on this area of interest. Let's delete this. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on this area of interest, which is beautiful, which is going to wick into this area of interest. But the same question, man. The same question, like, does this is going to come this big, and then it's going to come down? Doesn't make sense, isn't it? Imagine, man, like, just imagine this candlestick is going to come up here, and in the same week it is going to come down. I don't believe in this, The higher time frame doesn't work like that. So don't feel like it is going to do the things which it's going to do. Asa mang इथे येणार मग खाली जाणार होईल कसं. But I believe this is going to go down, man. I just have to figure out somewhere some opportunities come down. Can we get any opportunities? I mean, yeah, this is only the area of interest. This EMA is also saying 4 hours EMA is also saying, man. Can we shift this a little bit down? Can we? Nah. There is no other area of interest. Oh, I see. Ata. This is also the area of interest. How we can't see, because we can't see. But the only thing is going to be the low right. Nah, this is not even matching, man. Just wasting our time. I believe it is. If this is going to come up, it's going to mess around there, because you can see my fucking face reaction, man. I'm really getting paid for my thinkings. How I'm thinking is the only main thing. If it is literally going to come up, oh, see this. It has created a week overlap week. Monthly is going to help us. Brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Okay, this is going to do this like exactly, brother. Like wow. The monthly is going to create the week up till here. It has to. There is no other option. There is no other fucking option. Show me. Show me. Show me. Apple. Oh fuck. I'm talking anything. Show me, Eric. Not a good thing. Show me any candle is very much not overlap. It's going to close like this, and next month candle is going to get overlap. That means the whole week is going to come up, okay, and the whole week is going to get messed up over here. The same week is going to come. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make any sense because it has to. Now that's the confirmation done. It has to come over here. There is no other option. There is no other option. So I'm just going out. Oh my! What the fuck is happening over here? What the fuck is happening over here? What the fuck is happening over here? What the? Okay, I repeated 3 times. Okay. So now I literally again avoided a loss by the waiting for the daily NSE closure. I was waiting for this to sell down, but it is what it is, not going good. Oh shit, मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रही है यार. Should we discard this currency for any reason? This candlestick is going to create this candle up till here. Is it? Is it? Is it? Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Oh, myself for more. I'm not interested. I lose interest. I fucking lose interest right now. I don't know. I don't even want to buy this currency. I saw the thing which I shouldn't. I mean, I should. Okay, this is the higher high. This is the higher low. Higher low. Low low low. Low 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 low. The monthly is going to start and come. Oh my god, it is going to come down. Monthly has to come down. Oh shit, it has to come down up till here. This week, this selling is going to happen. Weekly is going to get bearish. Daily is having the engulfing candle. 4 hours is going to get bearish. Is got bearish. We can literally sell this currency right now because this thing is going to come down. Can we sell? Should we sell? How we sell? Sell. Should I sell? It's the main question. Dubai business setup. Thinking UAE return idea. This is going to come down, that's for sure. So why not to take the sell trade? Yeah, that makes sense, you know. That does make sense. I deleted that. This right there is going to be our area of interest for take profit. Nah, it doesn't look good. Just because of the take profit on a daily is so close, it's not even making sense. Because this is not going to be take profit for sure. Yeah, that's true. But this is the structure. The first reaction after we take the trade, the first reaction is going to start from here. It can fucking blow up. This is not good. So that is the only reason. This is a take profit. This is the actual take profit. But the reaction is going to come from here. Which thing is not good. Maybe this could also be happen the way like okay, like this is going to do this. Come over here. Have the reaction. Reaction means it's going to go up. Then it is going to push to downside, get bearish, and then retrace and then push to downside. That is going to create the weekly 2 weeks doji. That is the reason I like this, but just because of oh shit, also weekly has the very big magnetism. Not good. It's better to not to take the trade or taking the trade and getting messed up. It's also this is still ready to sell. but I mean, yeah, not a good trade to take the trade. This because we don't have the lower high to take the sell trade, and we don't even have the rejection for to go to the upside. Skip. CHF. Oh my god. Yes, brother. I'm with you. CHJPY have given a beautiful weekly rejection. So now we are ready to come down. And also, I just want daily to get bearish. Does daily got bearish? Nah. Daily haven't got bearish. But we can assume daily can get bearish because 4 hours also got bearish. Yeah, it's going to be a cracking trade. We will be waiting for the candlestick closure below this area of interest. Once this candlestick closes below this area of interest, we'll be waiting for it little bit treatment and push to downside. That is going to create the weekly red candle. Okay, we can literally wait for the single fin candle as well if we wanted to have more probabilities in our hand. And we can wait for. We will be waiting literally. Oh my god! This thing is the probability, man. Like, see this. Like, just see. Oh my god. Fair value gap thing is going to get true again. Look at this. This candlestick is weak over here. This candlestick has the upper weak over here. So now, if I will delete this, I will also delete this to make sure to that you can able to see the things which I wanted to show you, motherfuckers. Okay, that's a joke. Okay, don't take it seriously. Alright, so if the new candle is going to get formed, where the fuck this. Yeah. If the new candle is going to get formed over here, okay, after 2 days the new candle is going to get formed, then it is going to literally come down just and just to overlap the current candle wick, I mean the new candle wick, to the previous candle wick, right? I will show you. See, oh my god. Look at motherfucking this exact same pattern. Look at this. Imagine this candle is this current candle, okay, and the new candle is this. The new candle started and literally came down just and just to overlap this wick to this wick. Look at that. Look at that. I'm literally giving the hint. I'm literally showing how to make fucking money. If you don't take action, you're fucking dumb, brother. That is what I'm saying. The new candle is going to get formed after 2 days. It is going to come down, and it is literally going to come down, and literally going to overlap this week, which means the selling is going to happen. That is getting confirmed. If the selling is going to happen, that is getting confirmed, that means the selling is going to happen. Okay, for the half of the month the selling is going to happen. That means 2 week time period the selling is going to happen. So which is having more confirmation for this price is going to get. Now just prove me that this is going to go up. Can you just prove me? You just can't prove me. Or if you are proving me, you will not be having a lot of points to prove me that this is going to go up. I mean, I have proven you 100% with the reason like why this is going to come down. I mean, I'm getting so good in this, so good. I literally want to celebrate this. Like, we got so good in predicting. The prediction is the most important thing than trading. Making money is the number on screen, and it's anyone can do. But the prediction, no one can do, brother. Very good, man. Very good. Seriously, like, look at that is going to happen, and this is going to happen within 2 days. So now we need to wait because it is going nowhere, brother. It is going. This is how the higher time frame works. For next 2 days, it is going nowhere. It is going to mess up. It is just going to mess up. So for next 2 days, It's going to do nothing. So now for next 2 days it is going to do nothing, means it is going to come down, it is going to close. That is, so this is the current day is one day, the next day is going to close below, right? And the okay, so now 31st December, that means okay 3 days including today, including today, so it is like the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It is going to see, I will tell you simple thing, and this is going to happen to the perfection. Oh my god, I'm doing this value for free. Holy shit, I should charge the millions and millions of dollars for this information, because i'm I'm predicting to the 100% prediction for the $1 trillion market. $1 trillion with T. I'm giving this for free. I am the maddest boy ever in the whole world. I must be charging, and I'm going to charge for this. For sure. I'm going to charge 100,000 for this in piece of information. Or maybe I will be charging $1 million. I'm going to charge $1 million, because why fucking not? So this candle is going to close like this. This is going nowhere. The Tuesday candle is going to be closed like this, okay, below this. Tuesday, Wednesday candle is going to retrace, is going to close over here, and the Thursday candle, Thursday and the Friday, brother, is going to push it down, sir, man, like anything. Kasi sanguta. But it is not going to push to like the way we are looking into. It is going to push to the up till this week to get full over here. So I mean, yeah, we could literally take the trade over here in this week, and we could be literally holding this. Oh my god, I could make millions and millions of dollars right now. I mean, this is going to be a huge thing, man. So we are going to hold this. We're going to keep the stop loss right there, and the take profit is going to be this. If I'm risking $800, I will be making. I mean, this is just a rough idea. If we push the downside, I mean, if we go more lower like this or somewhere else, if I'm risking $800 and I'm getting like 600 times return on that $800, that means 6 8 1 8 2 16 8 8 4 8 4 32 8 5 40 8 6 48 $4,800, which is into INR, is equals to almost 3 lakh 4 lakh INR. But just doing nothing for the 2 weeks is a fucking huge thing, man. I know this is going to happen, because I fucking know this is going to happen. So I'm literally showing you how you can take the gold. I have kept the gold like this. Just go and pick up on that road. And if you still don't take action, what else I can tell you? Tell me, man, what else I can tell you? So CHF JPY, the highest probable trade. I love it. I mean, love it. Love. But you know, in back of the mind, I still like if this daily to get bearish. What I mean, looks like daily got bearish. No, daily haven't got bearish. So I still, in the back of mind, I still want this candle to close above and then get bearish. If that happens, wow. It will be scenario of the scenario. If that happens, brother, this is going to be awesome. I feel like this is going to happen because Forex got bullish for no reason. It is going to close above. If this close above, wow, this is going to be awesome, man. If daily got bearish and the Forex got bearish, holy shit, that is going to be like, then just book the car. Honestly, just book the car before the money comes. Just book the car because you know that's going to come. Okay, So yeah, this is what I must say. Oh shit, something is biting me. Ah, nah. It's just stone. Oh my god. Alright, so we'll look into it. We'll look into it. I just want daily to get bearish. I mean, I just want this candlestick to close below this candle. That will be the high probable, because we just can't take the trade like this. If this happens, beautiful, beautiful. But as per the EMA, I still believe this is going to little bit go up until this EMA comes over here and it's going to get bearish. I still believe this is, and that is going to make the daily bullish. I mean, daily is already bullish. Then it is going, if the candlestick close above the structure, then it happens to bearish. Wow, beautiful. Some people will be like, what the fuck you talking with this? If you are not understanding what I'm talking, brother, that is means you need to do the practice. Understand what I'm saying. If you just don't understand what I'm literally saying, this very small, not small, very in simple language, is just that is a sign that you need to do the practice. If you're doing the practice, you will make money. If you don't, you don't. So risk is, yeah, this is going to be, I'm not gonna lie, this is going to be a risk, of course, for sure, because this is the counter trend trade. This is the risk is equals to high, you can say. Probability is also high, because whatever I have come up with, it is so true. I'm looking for sell, waiting for I'm waiting for daily to get bearish, daily to close below the line. If daily got bearish, that's cherry on top. Oh fuck, look at that. That does look similar to something, right? And I also want for us to go bearish. That's it. So we have to wait for one day, that is Tuesday. We need to loop into this. It just take 1 minute to check it. Like, does daily get bearish? No, close. That's it. Monday, Tuesday, TUESTAY. So yeah, it is what it is, brother. But it will be weird if it just open the candle, and if there is no wick to the upside, it will feel weird if it's going to create the downside. This is going to create the wick to the upside. I have to make sure, okay, if this is going to create the wick to the upside, it's going to create a wick over here. That is what the retracement looks like. Yeah, exactly. I have to make sure that monthly create the wick before it go down. It create the wick to the upside before it go down. CHF JPY, yes, come into my CHF JPY, come into my or CHF. Okay, this is not good. This is good, but this is not good. Holy shit, I look weird, isn't it? If I done that, I literally got like, I was yawning in the mirror, in front of mirror. I was like, who the fuck is this guy is yawning? Me yawning looks more cartoonish like anything. My face structure got so changed. So yeah, it looks good as well, but it doesn't look good both of the time. Left it. No, brother, no. Stay away from this currency, because now you may be asking like, why in the world you saying to stay away, brother? Just because of where are we, man? Look at what I've clicked on the advertisement, but how? Where are we? We are on a slowest point in this currency on the whole world. And if you are looking for buy, you have to make sure we need weekly to go bullish. If weekly is bearish, we just can't buy. Zoom out, brother. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. Sorry, this is the lower low, and this is the lower high. Whatever is happening is fucking fake. It's creating the stop losses. Whoever is going to sell over, whoever is going to buy over here because it looks beautiful for buying, they are going to get cook. They're going to get scam, and it is going to go down. Come over here, taking everyone's stop losses whoever have buy, and then it's going to go up. सीधा सिंपल नहीं समझने का मार्केट को भाई. I know the market. It feels like I'm only creating the market, whatever I'm predicting, I'm sharing online, and the market makers are watching what I'm making, and they are doing the same thing. काय भी बोलतोस, ठीक है. Oh my, am I going to die? Do we have a storage? Storage is still there, right? Yeah, still there. So I literally said this from 2 to 3 weeks. I'm saying this is not going to go up. This is going to go down because it is creating the left. Then this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, and this is going to go down. What is this? This is the pattern of going down. I just don't take trade on patterns, but whatever I see, I'm just adding the things, and what make more sense will take that. Okay. So right now I'm literally looking for taking the sell trade. Okay. So now it's not good because whatever I'm seeing is not good. Oh my god. Remember this. I'm going to remember this currency, Euro NZ. Just remember this, man. I want to show you something. Okay, there's so much cold down there. Okay, this bias is like, let's create a left head and right shoulder. Now it means it's a break and retest, but the thing is the way it is right now happening, and it's a Monday. Holy shit, I was like, what the fuck, I'm taking up ahead and that's Monday. How? And what then? What is today then? Then I see like, oh, it's a weekly time frame. Every single candle is started on Monday. When is going to stop? This is not ready to take the trade right now. Okay, it is really not ready to take the trade because it is so. Oh my god, my things is paining. I need to set it correctly to divide the weight into all over the place because it is so paining if I'm just putting all the weight on the 2 points. It's paining. It is what it is. Alright, brother, I take that trade. Let me be your man. Oh, I can love you. Oh, this looks good. Oh my god, this literally looks good. Helicopter. I can hear the helicopter, man. It's so reduced wise. I literally want to see the helicopter, man. It will motivate me like anything. Okay, I got it. That's JCB machine. Fuck, that's a JCB machine, man. It's not a fucking helicopter. Holy shit. Yeah, I got it. That right there is coming from down. Yeah. ठीक है, brother. This is what is happening right now. Whatever is happening, it is happening good. So, okay, 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 okay. Okay. This is the area of interest. I am literally looking for taking a sell to the downside. If this candlestick is pump this big, and then oh my, look at that! This is going to go down just because of there is no wick to the downside. It has to create the wick to the downside. So, brother, we can sell this currency, but not now. I want the rejection from this area of interest. Is there any rejection? There is no fucking rejection. Also, the 4 hours is also bullish. I want the 4 hours to go bearish. I want a rejection on this, and this is going to push to downside. It will be looks good because this is a little bit closer, and then it's going to push to downside. Whatever. What about take profit? Take a profit. Spade. Yeah, we do have average take profit. It's not like we can make millions. No. Oh fuck. So cold is getting so cold. The environment is being cold. What's happened? We'll keep this in loop. Okay, just give me a second. I wanna walk in the sun to just shit to get at least. Oh my god! Whoa! It feels so good. Oh man, it feels so good. Man, goosebumps, man, goosebumps. Okay, so whatever I'm able to see over here, it has literally consumed the whole week pattern, man. I just don't feel like it is going to. I mean, on one way it is feel like yeah, it is going to go down. On other hand, it is feel like it is not going to go down. But it's so beautiful, man. On 4 hours as well, it is like a left head, right shoulder break, retest. Goes to the downside. But whatever I'm seeing over here is. Do you even believe it's going to create the red candle right now? Then does it make sense? It doesn't make any fucking sense. It's pushed to downside. It's creating the wick. If this created this big wick, it is going to create a big candle because wick and candle should get a match to some kind of ratio. I just can't share that because there is no fucking ratio. I mean, it should be at least be 50-50, or wick should be less, or body should be less and wick should be more. That's a doji. If wick is big and the body is small, that's a doji. And if what it is, if wick is small and body is big, that's a normal candle. That's a continuing candle. Oh shit, I thought someone came, but no one came. कसं करायचं आता सांग मला, कसं करायचं सांग. करायचं का, घ्यायचं काय असेल, घ्यायचं काय रिंग ना आता. भाई मराठी में अगर मैंने किया ना, इफ आई डिड दिस इन मराठी भाई, इट विल बी सो फेमस. आई विल डेफिनेटली. भाई कसं रिंग नाट. Fuck. It will be so good in commentary, man, because I can speak Marathi. Why not, man? Why not? I will make it in the next week. I will do it in Marathi. I just want to now my content is good. I mean, now content is not good. That content is okay. I mean, I'm talking about vlog, but about trading content is like no, not is anyone have this kind of content. So yeah, I can now have to just to tweak the language to see which language gets more views, because if there is no views, there is no sense of talking, because no one understand what I'm speaking. What to do, brother, about this? It's going to weak and it's going to create a. I don't like this big candle. The way it is big, this much. Like now we have to think about. Okay, I will show you what I'm thinking right now. ठीक है bullish bullish. So now this is the candle right now. The current candle is this. ठीक है. So if we got whatever we want, ठीक है, bearish engulfing for our shift of structure, whatever fucking bullshit, blah blah blah, and we sell. And this is the take profit is going to be this. ठीक है. So imagine this current candle is going to be full zero, and it's going to go down, and the candle is going to left the whole fucking bullshit this big weak. Does this even make sense? I mean, this doesn't even make sense. So I am good. I just don't wanna invest my time right now. I'm sorry. So see, this is what it is. I have the note there. It's not good. This is too low. Why this is too low? Too low means it has never. It is the most lowest price it is right now. It has never ever come over here, and now it is shifted to bullish, which means the buyers are going to come. Okay, buyers are pushing the price to go upside. I don't like this. I mean, I like this, but I just don't wanna, because the spread is going to be high, because not everyone is going to trade this. Even everyone is going to take this trade. I just I have the reason like why this trade doesn't work, just because of we are so low. I mean, that is the only reason, because every single thing match. Now also we don't have the engulfing candle. Yeah, we do have the rejection, but stop it. I don't want to see. See, yeah, this can work. Daily. This is what I'm looking into, brother. Monthly. What happened to CHF currencies, man? This got so bearish, and now it shifted to bullish. After so many months, it shifted for almost a year. It shifted to bullish. I believe this is going to go up, because this is the beautiful left. I mean, shift of structure. But the only thing is like, whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are below, we are selling about this structure. That is what I don't like. But the way it is forming, the way, like, if this candlestick close below, then we'll wait for this break, retest, go up. Like, this is beautiful. But the only thing which I don't like is like this. I'm leaving a lot of money on table. I know this, and I certainly don't want to make money by taking the trade which is not good. ठीक है. Okay, this is also like a beautiful trade to the sale, to the downside. Like, but the question is, where are we in the move? We are at the lowest point, with the fucking lowest point. I don't want to mess up with anything. Okay, I really don't want to mess up with anything. So it literally, it literally is beautiful. Like, it's going to see what I'm going to say. It is going to happen. It is going to weak into this area of interest, and it is going to go down. And on a daily, it is going to retrace a beautiful beautiful break, retest and push to downside is going to be happen. Also there is like a beauty, like wow man, this is like a beautiful trade, beautiful. Also it is going to be a week into this 4 hours EMA shift of structure. Wow, I am literally leaving money on table. I know this is going to happen. I fucking know, but I don't want to. The question is the quality of trade I wanna take. The market should feel proud that yo Uddesh have invested into this currency. That means something is somewhere is going to happen with the currency. Either that currency is going to do whatever Uddesh says. That's why he have took this trade. So now on GBPCHF, I know this is going to create the new blue candle. Okay, I certainly know this, and so beautiful, man. Like this is so beautiful. This, if this candlestick close above this candle, it is going to go up. It is going to go up. But the question is, the way we are is we are so below. First of all, we are so below on the whole entire currency movement. First of all, that is the thing. And also, we are below this area of interest. Whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are above, we are buying. And right now, we are below. So it's a logical thing that we shouldn't take this. Okay, whatever I'm going to see. You guys saw that? Shit. Google Photos is, you know, is making fun of me. Is showing my, how I can say, old life, not old life, showing my, friendship life. Now there is no friends. That friend have leave me for no reason. So Google Photos is making fun of me. It is what it is, brother. That friend who left, she left me, is going to remember me when I will be in my jet. I'm going to send her video that yo, you missed this. She will be fucking jealous. That time is going to come soon. Also, I'm getting so much business opportunities. You won't believe. I haven't even shared that. I will maybe share that. I will look into it. Euro CHF, I'm not liking it. Oh yeah, this is the currency. Odd NZD. I have predicted this move to the perfection. I literally said that this has created a higher low. It's going to go up, and see, this has gone up. The question is, can I take the trade? And the answer is, of course, fucking not. This trade is done. NZD CAD looks good for taking a sell, but I'm not interested just because of whatever I'm saying. I literally can take the sell trade right now, man. Look at, but where we are, brother. We are in the lowest low in the move. I know this is going to happen, man. I seriously know. Like my hands are like a stock right now. I just can't take the trade. I know this is going to go down, but the question is, do I really like? I will be taking a trade. I will be definitely taking this trade. Okay, but when I will be taking the trade, when I will be not having the high probable trades, then I will be definitely going to look for low probable trades, right? Like this trades. Right now I have bunch of high probable trades, so why I should look for the low probable trade? I just don't want to miss them. Okay, so beautiful. It is. I have predicted this move, man. Look at my lines are still there. I said this is going to come down. I said this is going to retrace. It is going to go down, and now it is gone down. Now it is going to go up. And this is how I am getting so good in prediction. So now, what's up? What is up? I mean, it looks beautiful that it's going to go up, but still, I don't want to. I don't want to mess up. Okay, GBP CAD. Have we circled back to the GBP CAD? Yeah, we circle back to the GBP CAD. GBP CAD is right now creating the wick to the upside to create the candlestick to the downside. So now GBP CAD. Oops, see dupe, see it's not looking good. Still I will be same page. The GBP CAD is creating the wick to the upside, it is going to create the candlestick to the downside. And why? That is why I literally avoided loss or perfection, man. That is why I need to wait for the daily candlestick closure, brother. This is what I'm saying. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are below, we're selling. Whenever we are below, we're selling. And right now, we are above. We're fucking buying. We below, we sell. We below, we sell. We above, we buy. And right now, we are above. I mean, don't consider the current candle. Consider a previous candle. That is the red candle. This red candle. This red candle. Is this above or this is below? This is middle. So nowhere. This is what I'm saying, dude. I'm getting so fucking good. I'm going to sell this. I'm going to sell my experience. I'm going to sell my information. I'm going to change the people's life. But it is going to cost them a lot of fucking money. Maybe they have to sell house just to pay me. It's not going to be cheap, brother. Alright, so we have finished all of our analysis, and I know, oh my god, there are a lot of currencies right there. A lot of currencies. Like a lot. So we're going to shortlist this trade. I mean, we're going to organize, not shortlist, we're going to organize these currencies. Okay, so GBP CAD, it literally needs a daily candlestick closure right to the downside. Okay, so it needs a daily candlestick closure to downside. Beautiful. Right now, whatever is happening to the perfection that if I'm looking for sell, it is creating the lower high. So it is going to create. It needs some more time to wait. Okay, like Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll be looking into it. If you will recap every single thing, just give me a minute. I'm organizing it. Once I organize, then I can able to recap. CAD JPY, it is going to go down. So what are we waiting for? Tuesday. I just need the daily candlestick closure. So Monday candlestick is going to close. If Monday candlestick got closed down, but wait, this is going to get 2 days, right? 2 days, 11 hours, 3 days. So for 3 days, it's going to do nothing. Am I right? Yeah. For 3, I will just type this down here because important note. This is fucking important note. IMP. कौन है वो शिंकने वाला? He's not even putting hands on his face. Bullshit. Sneezing without keeping the hands on face. And then you, man, I just don't wanna see him. So first thing first, the important is going to be this. What is important? Yeah. monthly candle is going to get formed on after 9 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday. Okay. So if you took the trade on Thursday, you could get push to the downside. So we need to figure out. Now we're waiting for Thursday. The most high probable is going to be Thursday. The least high probable is going to be whatever it is. Break and then retest. Break and then retest. Retest, break. Whatever it is. To be honest, I will literally wait for Thursday because whatever I can able to see for 2 days, It's going to do nothing. So why to involve, right? And just get involved into week out. No, I don't want to. Even though it closes below. If this closes below, that means 4 hours is going to get bearish like this, and then we need to have the retracement. We'll be having the retracement right there. We'll keep into track, okay? Not gonna lie, we'll keep into track. So catch boy is very much likely to take the trade tomorrow. So now it's not like yo catch GPY, Kelly candlestick closure, downside, sell. No, of course not. We have to look a lot of things into different things. Like I literally want this go up and then go down. This is going to take the EMA up. This is like small things is going to get add up for a lot of big things. Just a minute. I'm wearing my chopal. Okay. Am I recording? Oh fuck, the recording has got so big. Okay. So I just want Delhi to go bearish and for us to go bearish. But the prediction of the most high probable is going to be the after 2 days on Thursday. So when the Thursday candle is going to get started, the actual push is going to get started on Thursday, not on any kind of day. So the best way to take the trade on Thursday only. But we can mess up with the trade. If we got a good entry on Thursday, we can look into it, because if the candlestick, because see, I'm explaining you, that means I'm explaining to myself as well, so I have to be more deep. आवाज दिला देतो ना. अरे यार एक मिनिट. तुला हे पाहिजे का पतंग? थांबा जस्ट मिनिट. होल्ड ऑन अ मिनिट. ओके. कशी येणार ती? येईल का? कशी येणार? हां. हाँ. Holy shit. रेडी का? सोडू का? 1 2 3. हा. व्हेरी गुड. अरे जमलं. आली खाली. good. So this is the thing. The most important thing is going to be the CAT GPY. Like CAT GPY has to start after within 2 days it is going to get down. But the thing is, I need to finish this and we can have this thing enjoyment. So I need this daily candlestick to go down to retracement. If it's going to have retracement and push to downside, yeah, I have to. I'm making money by thinking, brother. So I have to think it correctly to make correct money. Okay. Basically the more, yeah, done. So thing is, on Thursday, when we start on Thursday, it is going to be a most highly probable trade. But if we got the daily bearish and the retracement, and if we got the entry before the Thursday, we'll take it. But we'll have to just consider that, yeah, on Thursday there is not nothing is going to happen until Thursday. So we need to keep that in mind. Cat GPY, like it. I will just keep it in loop for tomorrow trade. GBP odd. Let's go and check the GBP odd. What's up with GBP odd? GBP odd. Yeah, I'm going to take the buy trade or what? Oh, sell trade. Yeah. I'm going to looking for taking the sell trade of the odd. I want the lower high to get created, so I want the daily candlestick closure, right? Daily to create the lower high. Yes, daily candlestick closure. Tuesday and Wednesday. 4 hours to go bearish, which is going to be this. So yeah, GBP odd, daily candlestick closure. That is tomorrow trade. Today is the candlestick closure we want to take the trade to tomorrow. So whatever I'm saying, it is happening to the perfection, brother. So I want the odd cat to create the lower high. So beautifully, what I want is I want 2 days candlestick closure. One day like this, and next day like this. So I will wait on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it is going to be taking a trade, but at least not tomorrow. So now I have to organize it. So more to it. So now next currency is going to be Euro GBP. Holy shit, I literally avoided the loss, man. Oh wait, this is what I have predicted, right? No, my prediction is going to go up. Yeah, my prediction is going to go up monthly. Because yeah, after 2 days it is going to get started, not now. How fuck? Zero. Not now. It is going to push the downside now. Okay, we can literally start making the money then. But it is not. There is no lower high. There is no lower low. There is no lower high on the daily. Not good trade for taking the sell to the downside. It is very much likely. It is very much good trade after 2 days to taking the trade to the upside. But the way right now it's looking, I just don't like the way it is. I'm just discarding it. Jab, everyone please go here. Give the honest answer. Okay. He's doing good, okay. Company setup. So continuum. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So what I'm saying over here is I just don't like it. Euro GBP, not like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. Euro GBP, I'm discarding this currency just because of I just don't like it, man. CHF JPY, holy shit, what is happening over here? Oh, it is happening what I want. This is the currency of this is the currency. Yes, brother, we can take the trade. After this 10 hours, oh shit. After the 10 hours candlestick closure down, brother, we are going to cook. So we'll be having the 4 hours bearish, lower high, lower, bearish, and we will be looking into it. Brother will be looking into it. Yeah, so we'll be looking into it. I want break and then retrace. Beautiful doji. We'll be looking into taking the trade to downside tomorrow, not today. And we can take the true day, but that will be the least confirmation trade. I want the daily candlestick closure. Like you saw, by just waiting for the candlestick closure of the daily, I have avoided my 9 out of 10 losses. So why not to wait for the daily candlestick closure? That is going to be the huge thing. Let's wait for the daily candlestick closure, and that's it. That's super it. So we'll wait for the daily candlestick closure. That is right. That is. So holy shit, CHF JPY, right? We looks like this is going to come tomorrow trade. there is no trade right now, and no ongoing. There is no ongoing trade, and there is no trade this. I mean today, so we just have to wait for 1 day or 2 day. Okay, let's recap. I have organized this currencies to perfection. Today, this is going to be tomorrow's trade. Tomorrow, we will be having the opportunity to take the trade on 3 currencies, and we have to wait more than 1 to 2 days on these 2 currencies. And I completely understand this. So, CHF JPY, let's recap whatever we are waiting for. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure. This candlestick closure below this line, this black line. If that happens, we will be looking to take the sell trade over here, CHJPY, which is going to close tomorrow. So tomorrow we're looking into taking the sell trade. Holy shit, I have to go fast. CAT JPY, 1 minute, okay. Within 1 minute we're finishing. I'm waiting for this daily candlestick closure below. Let's go, and we are waiting for Tuesday. That is tomorrow. Today's candlestick is, if we need today candlestick closure down, okay, or tomorrow. I just need daily candlestick closure to below this structure. Then GBP odd. I'm waiting for what I'm waiting for daily to create. I'm waiting for this candlestick to close the way it is right now. That's it. Then 4 hours to get bearish. That's what I'm looking into. So we need to wait for today. So that is this is the currency which we are looking into take the trade tomorrow, if possible. GBP CAD, I'm waiting for this candlestick to close below this line. And odd CAD, I'm waiting for an odd CAD. I'm waiting for 2 candlestick closes, 1 candlestick down and 1 candlestick up. That's it. Wednesday, very much highly likely that we can have the trade to the upside. So yeah, signing off. I have to go fast, quick.